Welcome back everybody. Here I'm just going to open the notepad, and actually, as I said to you, that I'm just going to teach you about the logout page. So let's just click on new one, okay? And here I'm just saving this page in the accounts folder. Where is the account folder? Here is the account folder. So I'm just saving this page in the account folder by the name of logout.php and press enter. And now just open the PHP tags, and here inside these tags I'm just gonna code. First of all, actually in the logout page, what we are just gonna do, if I just go to the if I just go to the browser, then you can see that actually the thing, refresh that, this is another page, okay? The gdscam@gmail.com is still in this session, by the way. So the thing is that how we can get the access on the website by using the sessions. You already knew about that. So obviously, to end this session, we have to actually destroy the sessions, okay? So there is a command to destroying the sessions, definitely, because we just got the access on the admin panel using these sessions. So now, first of all, the first thing first is actually to create the session here at the top, which is really necessary, because if you just want to destroy the session, you have to link up this page with the sessions. So first of all, the session start, and here I'm adding a function, okay? The session destroy. Cover that. Now this is another function named session destroy, and if this will work, then what will happen? The header, I'm adding another header here, and here inside this header I'm just adding another location, okay? Now just suppose that just consider the page path. Now we are in the accounts folder. First of all, we have to go back to the account folder. Then we don't need to go to the admin folder directly. We can link up the index.php of the CMS front page, okay? So go back to the back directory and add the backslash, and then just add the index.php. Now let's just save that. Now the new thing is where to link up this logout.php page. So for this purpose, I have to open the header of the admin panel. I'm just going to the I have to open the XAMPP here. This is the admin. I just accessed on it directly. So in the admin there is the include folder, okay? Now I'm just guiding you about the location. We are in the CMS. Now this is the admin folder, this is the include. These images are not really important, actually, some kind of copies, by the way, some picture copies. So this is a header.php. Let's just open it, and I'm just going to the edit in the notepad++, and this is the logout page, logout link. Okay, I'm just removing the hash and just typing. First of all, just consider our place where we are. We are in the includes folder, okay? So first of all, just go back to the include folder and just go to the admin folder. Okay, but one thing more, I just want to clear you that this header is not directly opening, okay? We will not open this page, header.php, directly. So actually we have used this folder here in the index.php of admin, so definitely this is the folder, okay? So as you know that I just teach you about the includes rule, that now this address is not really important. Actually the header.php, if this file is included in the index.php, then it has got a new address instead of this includes header.php. The new address is admin/directly index.php, not the includes then the header.php or etc. So I have to consider this address. So obviously, according to this address, what we have to do, we have to go back one time, okay? It means we are in the admin folder. This is the file, and we are in the admin folder, and we have to go back to the admin folder, and there is a CMS, and in the CMS the folder named accounts. If you just go to the admin area, and I'm just going to the CMS, and there is the accounts folder. Inside the accounts folder there is a folder named logout, okay, which is the main folder. So I'm just going here, and actually I'm just adding 2 periods, which means I'm just going to the back directory, and then the accounts folder, and then slash and logout.php, okay? Well, I have to add the s here because this is not account, this is accounts. So save that, and if I just log out the page and this will work, then what will happen, actually the logout.php just sent us back to the location index.php, and now I'm just going to the browser. Now definitely I'm just refreshing that, and now everything is fine. I'm just getting the session here, but if I just click on the logout, I'm in the index.php. Okay, now I'm just going to the admin panel. This is another page. Here is I'm looking this session, but obviously when I just refresh this page, I'm going back to the previous folder, previous file. Now that means the session has been destroyed and our login panel is working. If I directly try to access on that file, the CMS and slash the index.admin admin slash index.php, and I'm just pressing enter. Now I'm not going to the admin folder or admin area. I'm just in the index.php, which is really perfect and actually what I want. But if I just create the session here, okay, now I'm just teaching you the GDS gamut and then ASD, and if I just click on the submit button, now I am in the admin panel. Okay, so definitely if I just click on logout again, now I'm again in the index.php, and I can't access on that folder until I just put the perfect password, which is actually in the database as well. So now I hope you understood how to create the login and the logout page. Then actually what I'm just gonna do in the next class is actually linking up all these files. I'm just going to the admin panel again, ASD, and click on submit button. Now the new post, new category posts, and all these folders files, I'm just adding the securing these pages with the login. So goodbye and stay tuned.